Want to earn cashback on top of your flexible payments? In this video, I'll show you where to find special cashback offers within the Klarna app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Klarna partners with retailers to offer cashback, which is a percentage of your purchase price returned to you. It's like a double win. The best place to find these offers is in the Klarna app's shopping directory. Tap on the Explore or Shopping tab to browse stores. Stores that have a special promotion, like cashback, will often have a badge or tag on their logo that says cashback or shows a percentage. Simply shop through the Klarna app by tapping on that store and then making your purchase as you normally would. The cashback will be tracked and credited to your Klarna account after the return period ends. A crucial pro tip: you must start your shopping journey in the Klarna app. If you go directly to the retailer's website, Klarna cannot track your purchase and you won't get the cashback. Always use the app as your shopping portal for these deals. And just like that, you're getting money back on purchases you were already going to make. Finding Klarna cashback offers is a smart shopper's strategy. What's your favorite store to get cashback from? Let us know so we can all check for offers. For the biggest sale event, subscribe for our next video on how to use Klarna for Black Friday deals. Thanks for watching.